Hello, I'm going to focus 3, 2, 1. Hello, I'm going to make several videos in the next several weeks focusing on Google Forms, and this is the first one. So the first thing to get to Google Forms, you can go several ways. You can go to forms.google.com. I don't ever go that way. It's my least favorite way to get to Forms. You can also go through Drive. So if you go to your Google Drive and you click on the New, scroll down to More, and then Google Forms here. That will start it. You can go either way. This one has templates. It has all your last forms. When you go through Drive, it has everything. That's the way I usually do it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is title my form, and I'm going to name it Sample Form. And once you name it here, if you click over here in the top left-hand corner, it will change it. Same thing, if you type the name over here and then you clicked here, it would change it. So the first thing when you do the form is usually want to ask the person's first and last name. So if you start typing in name, Google will automatically change the type of answer from multiple choice to short answer. So I have name here, and then the person will be able to have the short answer text. At any time, if you want to see what your form looks like, you can click on the eyeball. And so now I can see that my form just has one question, which is name. And I'm going to X out of the eyeball because it won't update automatically. You have to refresh it. So just a few things for the questions here. So this question is what I'm editing. It's blue over here on the side, and I can change the type of question that it is by clicking on the drop-down menu. Paragraph means that they have a longer answer, so if I look at the preview here, it doesn't really look any different than the short answer. It's just a longer place. Multiple choice, there's one answer. Check boxes, there are two. They can check more than one thing. Multiple choice allows you to check one. Check boxes allow you to check more than one. Drop-down menu means exactly that. If I put the options in here, yes, no, here, and then I preview it, it will give me a drop-down menu. Go back over here. File upload, linear scale, multiple choice, and checkbox grids, those are more advanced, and the date will allow you to put in the date. When somebody puts in the date, if you click on the preview button, it'll show you there's a little drop-down menu, and then they can pick it from the calendar. I'm going to X out of all of these because those are when I clicked on the eyeball and they're not current. And then the last one is time here. If at any time you want to require the question, you can go ahead and toggle the question button on. So now it's required. I'm going to change this back to short answer. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new question. I'm going to hit the copy or duplicate button here because I want it to be the exact same type of question. And I'm going to hit duplicate. And then I'm going to change this to last name. And I will change this one to first name. So notice right here, this is blue. When I click up here, now that one is blue because I'm editing that. I can add first name. So that's the beginning of a sample form, and the rest of the next few weeks I'll be showing you more things that you can do with sample forms.